My name is Kelly Herbig. I'm a virtual content specialist for special education, social studies grades 3 through 5. And today I'm going to show you how you can use the Canvas template on Padlet. So what is Canvas on Padlet? It's a template that will help your students make connections between important information in social studies. Today, I'm going to specifically be modeling how to do this with Lesson 3 from the unit Freedom in the New Nation, Federal, State, and Local Government from the Grade 4 Passport to Social Studies curriculum. And what this Canvas template is going to do is it's going to help students with special needs connect information from this lesson in an organized, visual, and interactive way. So let's get started. So as a quick review, in order to create a Padlet with this template, you're going to click the pink button on your homepage where it says Make a Padlet, and you will click the option that says Canvas. But for today's demonstration, I've already started the Padlet we're going to be creating together. I got the idea for this Padlet by studying the lesson on Teach Hub closely, and I noticed how important it was for students to understand the Virginia plan, the New Jersey plan, so that they can eventually understand the Great Compromise. So really my goal here is to map out these plans on Padlet so that students have an interactive way to see their similarities and their differences. So here I have the Virginia plan. I started by adding these branches. We have the executive and the legislative, but I need to add the third branch. So let me demonstrate for you how I would do that. I'm going to click the plus sign right here. I'm going to add in the title. And I'm going to add in a little description. Now, if you'd like to change the color, all you have to do is click these three dots at the top and you can change the color. But I also want to connect this with the Virginia plan because it's part of the Virginia plan. So I'm going to go over to the Virginia plan, click these three dots right here, and then I'm going to click connect to a post. I'm going to connect it to this post right here. So now I have my title and my three parts all connected. This is going to help students see the connection between the plan and then the three parts. Another great thing that I can do here is I can even add visuals. If I want to, I can edit this and I can upload a picture or find visuals on Google to just add another layer of differentiation for our students with special needs. But let me show you again how I would create this by showing you how I can create the New Jersey plan. So I'm going to click the plus button right here. I'm going to type in my title. I think I'm going to want to have that over here, the New Jersey plan. This one also has three branches of government. So I'm going to edit and add that description right here. Now I want to add in, the three branches of the New Jersey plan. We have executive, legislative, very similar to the ones that we have for the Virginia plan. Once again, I'll show you, you press the plus sign down here, you add in your title, you add in your description, whoops, I'll fix that. There we go. I'm going to bring that over here. Whoops, it made two so that I can connect it. Maybe this time around, I'll do a different color. And I want to connect these two together. So again, I'm going to press these three dots right here. I'm going to click connect to a post. And I want to connect it to this one. And there we go. All right, so I just added my last two branches for the New Jersey plan. But now that I'm looking at these, I don't see a huge difference. Students will not be able to compare and contrast these right now, so I think we need some more information. So I'm going back to the lesson plan and I'm noticing that the real difference seems to be in what different branches do. So I want to add some of that into my Padlet. I'm going to show you an easy way to do that. You can actually screenshot this portion of the slide. If you are on a Mac like me, you're going to do Command Shift 4. Then you can select the section that you would like to screenshot, and it screenshots it. Now all I have to do is come back to the Padlet, drag that photo right on from my desktop, and it appears right there. But I want to connect this to the correct plan. So if I go back here, I can see that it's the Virginia plan that has 2 houses here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the legislative branch here, click these 3 dots, connect to a post. I want to connect it to this visual right here. And there we go. Now your students can see that this is the Virginia plan, the 3 branches, and then now they're getting even more information about each of those branches. And we can even keep adding information to help students differentiate between these 2 plans. I'll take a screenshot of this as well, drag it on, and this should be connected here. There we go. So now I've completed the Virginia plan. What was on the slides is now right here. It's interactive, and I can even go into settings and allow students to comment. This is really cool because we can have students now asking questions, jotting down noticings and wonderings about the differences between these 2 plans. This is what really makes it collaborative. All right, I'm going to take a minute and finish out the New Jersey plan. All right, so I have added to my New Jersey plan. And as you can see, now I have a really fun and interactive version that allows students to compare the Virginia plan and the New Jersey plan. I wanted to show you one more thing that I think could make this tool even better, and it might be something that you want to specifically use with your students. So I mentioned before that you can add visuals. If you click on the post that you would like to add a visual for, you click Edit Post. You can click Upload. And I found some really great photos that we can use. So for the executive branch, I can use this photo right here. Allow that to upload, and there it is. And you can do that for the rest. Choose File. Here's my legislative photo. And then I can do even one for judicial as well. So this is just like another layer of differentiation that you can add on, visuals that can be really important for our students with special needs. Another thing you can even do is you can add links if you want students to explore more about these different branches, or if you want them to explore more about the plan. You would just go to Edit, click here, and you can add in a link to maybe a YouTube video or an article that explains more about these 2 plans. So there's just so many ways to use this Padlet to link information and allow students to explore things at their own pace. I really think that this template in particular is a valuable tool because it allows students to see the connection between different pieces of information. It allows them to understand that there is an overarching plan and that that plan has 3 parts, and that even the parts have some more specific information that you should know underneath them. In summary, the Canvas template is a feature that helps students make connections to important ideas in social studies. It can become a resource that can be referenced again and again.